How to use or redeem a Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars. So if you want to use or redeem a Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars, then what you need to do is go with the shop icon, which is here on the left side. Tap on shop. And let's say that I want to buy some gems. I will click on the gems that I would like to buy, or just tap on the thing that you would like to buy and then go with buy, which is on the bottom right. And here you will have get gems. Tap on it, and after that again tap on the gems, and it will take you to the Google Play. You just need to simply go with add credit or your debit card. But if you've already added, then you will have your credit or your debit card. You just need to simply select that, and on the bottom you will have redeem code option. You just need to simply swipe down, and once you swipe down you will get the redeem code option. You just need to simply tap on redeem code, and you'll be able to use the redeem code on your Google Play gift card on your Brawl Stars. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.